Have you ever heard of a fish with real-life superpowers? Meet the electric eel. It lives in the muddy waters of the Amazon River and hides a shocking secret weapon. Electric eels aren't actually eels at all. They are really a type of knife fish, which makes them closer cousins to the catfish than to true eels. So, how do they make electricity? Imagine having thousands of tiny batteries inside your body. The eel has special cells called electrocytes that are stacked up just like batteries in a flashlight. When the eel spots a tasty snack, its brain sends a super fast signal down its body. This tells all those battery cells to turn on at the exact same time. Kapow! This creates a powerful jolt of electricity, up to 600 volts. That is almost 5 times stronger than the electrical socket you use to charge a tablet. The ZAP acts like a remote control that hits the pause button on the prey. It makes the fish's muscles freeze up instantly so it can't swim away, making it easy for the eel to gulp it down. But wait, there's more. They don't just use this power for lunch, they use it for defense too. If a predator gets too close, the eel can curl up and deliver a mega shock to scare it away. Isn't nature amazing? The electric eel is like a living, swimming lightning bolt. Thanks for exploring this shocking creature with us today.